808 total active listings on the market for sale. Now you'll see in the price changes, and I'll post these up, there's 111 of those. The price changes are majority reductions in listing price, not recorded sales prices. We don't know those figures until properties actually sell. And then we look at the historical record and find out where the past solds have been, apples to apples, same neighborhood, same builder. And then we get those numbers, and then we make a determination as to whether the real estate market is reducing in price, and that isn't the case, not in Santa Clarita Valley at least. Now, the further you get away from Los Angeles, that's where that starts to apply. But right now, we're still holding firm with our historical record of sales prices at all-time highs. So they're staying where they are currently. I don't see the inventory blowing up much more. It probably would if the Fed actually reduced that Fed funds rate, because that does have a trickle down effect and will also reduce the mortgage rate. Mortgage rates are based on the 10-year bond primarily. But once we get more confidence in the market, then people start to invest more. So then we have those interest rates start to decline on the mortgage end. But if the Fed funds rate takes a massive hit as far as a reduction, then of course that typically will trickle down. So we'll see the mortgage rates change. That could be enough. What's holding back a lot of the property owners now, they're wearing golden handcuffs. Not a funny cop thing. Golden handcuffs would indicate they're locked into a very special, very low mortgage rate. And it's hard for them to quantify being able to sell that particular residence and go pay double in the amount for mortgage. Because if they're sitting at 3, they're going to be paying upwards of 6, maybe 7, just depending on credit history, type of loan, property location, and these sorts of things. That's what they're considering. So it's like, well, why would we even do it? Because 3 points in interest is quite a big number when you're talking about financing 850 over $1 million. That's a big deal. So the golden handcuffs are holding those sellers in place. We will see that loosen up quite a bit. We could have the market flood with inventory, but then we'll also probably have a respectable amount of buyers at that time as well that are going to go out and they're going to want to purchase real estate because now interest rates are incredibly low. The competition is going to be extreme. It's going to be standing room only, and there's going to be multiple offers on properties, just like we saw back in the early 2020s.